Once an eminent and famous scholar who was very well versed in scriptures went to an old man and said, I want to learn the real truth of life. Please guide me. Old monk asked, Who are you? Scholar said, You don't know me? I am a learned scholar in many scriptures and I have a great reputation in the city. I have learned many scripture but still could not find the truth. I came to you in a hope to find the truth. Old monk said, You bring it in writing what you know because what you already know needs no education. It will only profit you if we talk on matters you don't know. Scholar returned and started writing. He had so much knowledge that 3 years passed while writing all that. After 3 years, scholar returned to old monk with bag filled with thousands of pages. Seeing such big pile of pages, monk said, At this age I won't be able to read this much. Make it more concise. Scholar returned and started writing abstract. It took him 3 months. After 3 months, he came back to monk. This time he had much less pages with him, but still there were hundreds of pages. Old monk said, This is also too much. Body has become weak. I have become weak. That is no even possible to read so much. Bring me its essence. Scholar went back and after 7 days came back with some pages with essence of his knowledge written on it. Old monk saw it and said, You can see I am really old and can't read much. When you will understand, go make it more concise. Just listening to it, scholars understood what monk had been trying to say. Scholar immediately went to another room and brought back a blank paper. Seeing it, old monk smiled and said, This blank paper means that I am blank, completely empty. Now you are qualified to know, to learn, for you have understood the very basic that you know nothing. The learning of the story. First step to learning is to know that you know nothing. This act requires great courage to acknowledge oneself that I do not know. Thank you.